Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be show you how to cast PC screen on mobile phone. Go to Play Store. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Tap on Install. Go to this website. Click on Install. Install the software to your PC. Name your PC as you wish. Enter a pin you would like. Now go to your phone and open the app you installed. Now you will see your PC. If you didn't see the PC like me, tap on this icon and change the account. Now you will see your PC. Then tap on your PC. Here you need to enter the PIN you created before. After you do that, your PC will connect to your mobile phone. Now you can do any PC work with your phone. If you need to type with your phone, swipe like this and tap on this keyboard icon. Then you can type anything with your phone. That's it for today. If you guys need more videos like this, please subscribe and press that bell icon. And don't forget to like this video. Peace.